RLP, rapid liquid print. So we print in a hydrogel medium that works as a suspension. We print two-part silicones. So the part A and B get mixed in the nozzle head and then comes as a liquid form. And then the gel works as a suspension, so it keeps everything in place while it cures. The gel is a hydrogel, so it's safe to touch. And after the part is completely cured, you can just grab it by hand and wash it in the sink and rinse it off. Yeah. The suspension allows us to not need any support material and do non-planar tool pathing. So as you can see, we can get really good surface quality for very complicated geometries. We have a lot of medical applications. I was one of the first customers that we had to print prosthetic liners for them that fit each patient body. And then we have a lot of auto industry applications, seals and gaskets. And there are some people who want a specific seal that is not being manufactured anymore, so we can do custom seals and gaskets for them. A lot of cushioning for like wheelchair seats, auto industry. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.